What's up, guys? Just wanted to go over a couple things I bought today for you know, new video stuff and whatnot. So I guess first of all, Jesus, I don't even know where to start. I guess with the lenses. So this dude here came as like a 2-pack, which I think is pretty cool. I was actually gonna buy, I think, this one here as a single, but I was looking at this one. I also have a friend who was kind of helping me out with everything. I was looking at this one, and then he came back with the pack when I decided on both of them. Didn't know they released a 2-pack, so that was pretty cool. Second one, or I guess technically third one, is going to be this guy here, which he was saying is pretty much really good for like vlogs, stuff like that, where it autofocuses mainly on, you know, you, and then kind of blurs everything out. So I think that'll be cool. I needed a new one of these because I actually lost my old one. The thing I was using before this one, the other one I had that broke, was pretty much the GoPro one they give you to plug into the GoPro into the computer. This guy was next, mainly because I've been going to a lot more car events and stuff, and it's kind of a pain trying to fit this in either your hoodie pocket if you have a big enough one, or what am I trying to say? Or just carrying it around. So having this is going to be a giant help. And then what I've been using to carry the camera around so it doesn't get too beat up or anything like that is basically a tote bag with a blanket in it. So I ended up deciding just to go ahead and pull the trigger and get this cool little backpack guy. What I like about this one is not only do you have this spot up here for, you know, random stuff, whatever. I like that everything is accessed basically through the back here. So you don't have to worry about anyone behind you trying to take shit from you or anything like that. It's pretty much just all under there. I don't know why I can't get this one-handed. So yeah, you have all your compartments and everything. A little snack pack there. And, you know, you can kind of arrange all this stuff around. But I think it'll be cool definitely using this to, you know, help carry it around instead of just my ghetto rigged bag. So let's get a closer look at some of this. So this big guy here is, so basically it's a wide angle lens, and my friend was showing me in the store today, the zoom on this thing is pretty ridiculous for what it is. Gets you those nice kind of like, I don't want to say fisheye kind of look, but those really good wide angle shots where everything looks a little distorted, but not too bad. Definitely can't wait to play around with this guy. Very excited to use this along with the rest of them, but I think I can get some really cool shots out of this for, you know, especially what I want to do. So that's pretty much everything I wanted to show you guys today. Just to kind of keep from all the delay and updates and stuff like that. I've been working on a couple things with the car, so that'll be coming out pretty soon, and especially with these new lenses, I'll actually be able to kind of showcase that a little better, I think. Maybe take some cool shots, some rolling shots, some videos, to kind of throw in the center of videos and everything. So I think that'll be pretty cool. Definitely excited about all this, and can't wait to show you guys what we can make with it.